Hi, I'm Mark, one of the co-founders at Enclave Networks, and today I would like to show you how to set up custom DNS records with Enclave on Windows. And for this tutorial, I've actually created two new virtual machines in AWS Lightsail, one in London and one in Frankfurt. Now, normally there's no private connectivity out of the box on AWS between these two systems because they're in different regions. However, we're using Enclave for that private connectivity for this tutorial. So I've already installed the Enclave software onto both systems, and I have enrolled both of those systems into our organization. And you can see them here below, and I've already tagged them accordingly. So our development machine is tagged as developers, and our app server running IIS at the moment in Frankfurt is tagged as internal app servers. Now, I've also created a policy composed out of those tags, out of the developers and the internal app servers tags, which has created a private traffic flow between our two systems. Now, if you're not sure what that means, I recommend you take a look at our Getting Started content, which you can find by checking the links in the description below. Now, Enclave actually has first-class support for DNS out of the box. You can see here that we're actually pinging the server in Frankfurt using a host name which has been assigned to the system. However, I plan to install some CRM software onto this system in Frankfurt, so I'd like to create a DNS record that reflects the nature of what this system will be doing in the future. So, in order to do that, I'm going to go into the DNS tab, and I'm going to create a new CRM.enclave record. Now, we only have one zone defined, .enclave, but we could add more if we want. So now we need to decide where do we want our crm.enclave record to resolve to. So we could choose to point that hostname at a tag. Now, tags can have multiple systems associated to them. So if we did point this hostname at a tag that did have multiple systems, then Enclave would resolve crm.enclave to one of the systems associated to the tag, thereby giving us a DNS round-robin sort of load balancing effect. But for this tutorial, I'll keep it simple. I'm going to point out the Windows 2019 server in Frankfurt. So now I can go to IIS and simply resolve crm.enclave in the browser and hit the server in Frankfurt using the private Enclave tunnel. I hope this was useful, and please do check out our other resources to learn more. Thank you.